So home remedies, a very effective home remedy for varicose veins is foods which are rich in vitamin B12 and B6 are very helpful for patients suffering with varicose veins. Berries and leafy vegetables. They can take lots of bananas. So weight reduction must be a very important factor. Person who is suffering from varicose vein, avoid prolonged standing or prolonged sitting. And also person should not sit with their legs crossed. Welcome to another episode of Live Right. I'm Dr. Rekha here. I'm the Chief Founder and Consultant of Deepam Ayurveda Panchakarma Center. We are located at Medavakam, Chennai. I'm very happy to collaborate along with Live Right for making these health episodes. In today's topic, we will see about the home remedies and lifestyle changes for varicose veins. So first we'll go into the home remedies. So home remedies, a very effective home remedy for varicose veins is frying the small onions in gingery oil and taking it. What happens over here is onions are very beneficial to reduce the cholesterol, and they also have this ability to make the veins strengthen. So taking small onions, which are crushed small onions, you can take around 5 to 6 small onions, crush it and then fry it in gingery oil, and you can take it in the empty stomach in the early morning. It will be very beneficial for varicose veins. Another good home remedy for varicose veins is garlic milk. It is mentioned as Lashuna Shirapakam in Ayurveda. So this Lashuna Shirapakam is very helpful for reducing the cholesterol, and it also helps the control of Vata dosha. So Vata dosha being the predominant factor in varicose veins, so Lashuna Shirapakam is definitely a beneficial home remedy. Now we will see how to prepare this Lashuna Shirapakam or garlic milk. You have to take 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, crush it and add it to 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of water. The milk should be boiled. The milk and water mixture should be boiled until only the milk remains. So this garlic milk, it can be taken at nights around 10 p.m. or around bedtime. You can use it for like weekly 2 days or 3 days. It is also very beneficial to reduce the cholesterol. Foods which are rich in vitamin B12 and B6 are very helpful for patients suffering with varicose veins. And other foods which are supposed to be included in the diet are berries and leafy vegetables. They can take lots of bananas. They can take good fishes which have omega fatty acids. So such a type of good diet, a diet which is rich in ginger and garlic. So such a type of good diet will be very beneficial for a person suffering with varicose veins. Next we will see about the lifestyle changes which the person can make. So weight reduction is a prime factor, because when you lose the weight, definitely the pressure on the veins is reduced. So weight reduction must be a very important factor. Person who is suffering from varicose vein, they should look after their weight, or if they are obese, they should try to reduce their weight. So other important lifestyle change which they can do is avoid prolonged standing or prolonged sitting. And also person should not sit with their legs crossed. So when you sit with your legs crossed, you put a lot of pressure on your legs. So the person should avoid sitting with the legs crossed. One posture which is like standing or sitting should be avoided for prolonged times. And pregnant ladies must do walking, which is also beneficial for the circulation. Persons suffering from varicose veins, they can keep 2 pillows beneath their leg while sleeping. So that will help the blood to pump up, or the blood will not get stagnated in the veins. So again, lifting their legs for 15 minutes, or they cannot lift 15 minutes at one stretch. So they have to practice it like 5 minutes or 2 minutes. They have to keep lifting their leg above the level of heart or at the level of heart. What happens when they do this is the blood which is stagnated in the veins will get reversed back, or it will move in the upward direction. There is one particular exercise which is very beneficial in varicose veins. The person can start doing this from like 5 minutes, or then they can keep on increasing the time. What they have to do is they have to sleep in a supine position or a straight position, and then they have to lift their legs. So when they lift their legs, it makes it very easy for the blood to flow back. And this exercise, and they have to lift their legs in such a way that the legs must be above the level of heart. So this particular exercise, the person can do it like 2 or 3 times in a day. They can do it with like 5 minutes at the start, and then they can increase the duration up to 15 minutes also. Yoga postures like the Sarvanga Asana are really very beneficial. But the most beneficial thing is the pranayama because pranayama helps in the circulation. Particularly pranayama like the Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom pranayama are very beneficial. We always advise our patients to do pranayama because pranayama helps in the blood circulation. It strengthens our immunity also. It makes our body fresh because it gives us a lot of oxygenated blood. So Vyana Vayu is a very important dosha which is involved in varicose veins. Thank you for watching this episode. In the next episode, we will see the Ayurveda treatments and some more home remedies.